Good morning, guys. Thank you for watching another episode of Chantel's Home Cooking. Today I will be making red velvet waffles, and I will be using packaged red velvet cake mix, 4 eggs, and also I'm using milk. I've already pre-made my icing, and I will also be using white chocolate chips. Also, I will be using my Cuisinart waffle maker. Okay, let's get started. So this is the easiest way to make red velvet waffles. Anyone can make this at home, and that was the point of me making it with the red velvet cake mix, so that you all can easily make this at home. Okay, let's pour our milk in. Now use your whisk. So I had to finesse this recipe a little bit because the original recipe, I didn't really like it, so I changed it up to make it my own, because I like my waffles to be thick and fluffy. Stay tuned. So right now I am preheating my waffle iron please follow the temperature directions on your waffle iron that you have. Also, I will be spraying this with some non-stick cooking spray before I put the mix on the waffle maker. Stay tuned. So I'm spraying both plates, the top and the bottom, with some non-stick cooking spray. Okay guys, our red velvet waffles are completely done. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Chantel's Home Cooking. Also, the recipe will be available on my food blog at tgplatefoodblog.blogspot.com. So let's get ready to decorate our red velvet waffles. This is the icing that I made, and you just want to drizzle it on the top. And also I will have the directions on how to make the icing. So I have some white chocolate chips that I'm using. You can also use the regular chocolate chips if you would like. I just like white chocolate, so that's why I went with that kind. Okay guys, it is complete. You all have a blessed day, and I will see you soon for the next Cookmas video.